Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you've seen one or two of my videos, then you've probably seen me in a head wrap before. I get questions all the time about, my own hair care and how I take care of it. And really my answer usually is I don't touch my hair. Honestly, 95% of the time, my hair is in a head wrap or a bonnet, okay? If I'm not filming or going somewhere, my hair is gonna look like this. So I get requests on how I tie them all the time. So I sat down some of my head wraps and some of my scarves because sometimes my head wraps aren't even head wraps. This is really just a scarf from Forever 21. So I decided to sit down with some of them and show you guys some of the ways that I tie them. I'm trying to figure out how to get them all in frame here so you guys can actually see what they'll look like once they're wrapped on. So if you guys want to see that, then just stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is in this low bun. Now I'm going to take the scarf and place it at the base of my neck, pulling forward, making sure it's tight, and then I'm getting all the fabric. I'm going to place the fabric behind my ears, and then you just want to make sure you pinch the fabric before you start wrapping it around. Now this part took me a minute because there was quite a bit of fabric with this scarf. But then you want to wrap it around, kind of creating a bun at the front of your head. And you see the little pieces dangling off this design of this scarf. You can tuck them in as you please. And then you have the first head wrap design style, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so for this one, we're going to need a top bun. I'm going to take this head wrap from Ceeceescloset and fold that in half. This is another one that's just a whole lot of fabric, so this took a minute here. And after that, I'm going to fold it again to get the size that I want. And placing that at the base of my neck like the other one, we're going to twist, and then each side I'm going to twist all the way down. And once I do that, I'm going to wrap it around the back of my head and tie it. And after it's secured behind my head, I'm just going to tuck the pieces in wherever I see they fit. And this is the second one. Now this is typically one that I do when I have curly hair, so my curls can stay out at the top, but my hair is straight now, so you get it. And for this next one, we're going to need a top bun again. I'm going to take this head wrap also from Ceeceescloset and place that at the base of my neck. There was a whole lot of fabric with this one, so it took a minute to get it right, but you want to make sure that the fabric is covering your bun this time around. Twist once again and then twist each side down. However, this time around, you're going to wrap it around the actual bun itself and then pull and tuck in the pieces again where you see fit. And this is usually my go-to way for tying my head wraps just because it's the easiest as far as what to do with my hair and how to wrap it. And that is 3 different ways that I wrap my head wrap. Now for this one, for anyone out there, you've shaved your head or you just have short hair, since you are supposed to wrap the head wrap around your bun, if you can't do that, you can also throw in cloth, another head wrap, just anything, ball it up so that it acts as your bun and wrap the head wrap around there and you get the same outcome. So that is 3 different ways, 3 different colors, styles, however you want to call it there. I hope seeing that was helpful. I would say let me know how you wrap your head wraps, but it probably wouldn't be the easiest way to see it just by reading what you say. So I hope seeing this was helpful. If you have any good places though on where you can get head wraps, let me know in the comments down below. Really, Ceecees and scarves are pretty much the only 2 options that I have there. Ceecees have some of my favorite head wraps out there. So if you know any other ones, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.